Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to restore deleted emails. Let's go!
Welcome to Rich Boy Tech Channel. Let's make money online.
So today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to restore deleted emails. Today, we are starting with Yandex. Go to Yandex, sign in. So we are trying to restore a Yandex email right now. I'm trying to restore this email. Oscar Yogun at gmail.com. This email was created 5 years ago. So you can see username is either incorrect or have been deleted. This email was created 5 years ago, so it has been deleted. So I'm trying to restore it now. So to restore it, you delete yandex.com, leave only the username, then click on login. Then it will direct you to the password session. Input the password of the email. Once you are done, click on restore access. Then input the text given. Enter text from the picture. Saved report. So you input the username. The two-step security name. Once the two-factor have been authenticated, then you put your email. Put a new email that you need to be connected, that you want to be connected to the Yandex account. Once you input your number, they will send you SMS code. Okay, they have sent it 568101. So the next stage is to input your password. Create a new password for the email so you can reactivate the email. To reactivate it, you need to create a new password. Once the password has been imputed, you click on next. So you can see to strengthen your account security without having any issue. So you can see the details of the account. So you click on next. You can see your mailbox is inactive, so you need to activate it by logging in. Once it's done, your email will be open. So this is how you restore your deleted account. So I'm trying to recover my Facebook account with this email. Yeah, it has been activated. So I'm going to restore my Facebook now. Okay, voila. So the Yandex email is working perfectly. So do well to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online. Bye.